This is probably the most important one when you're getting ready to leave in your RV, and that is needs versus wants. And here's the phrase I keep remembering that I wish I had taken to heart, which is, you're not going to the moon, so you don't need to pack everything you're going to need for the rest of your life in your RV. So, when I left Southern California, my RV was packed to the gills with everything I thought I'd ever need. And then as the year progressed, I probably took 3/4 of what I packed and gave it away, threw it away, whatever. I got rid of it because I didn't need it. I wanted it, but I didn't need things like table setting for 6, 4 winter coats, 6 pair of jeans, excuse me, and things like that just filled up the RV. And you start to know if you don't need something, if 3 or 4 months later you've never touched it and it's just still sitting there. If I had to do it all over again, what I would do is leave home with an RV that has enough stuff in it to get by for maybe like a week, and have a whole lot more money in my bank account. And as I travel around the country and I see that I need something, I would buy it when I found out that I needed it, rather than thinking I'm going to need it and carrying it around for a year and never once used it. So I'd leave home with a lot less stuff in my RV and a whole lot more money in my bank account. There's one guy on the internet that I watched. He's living full-time in a van, a little utility van. Excuse me. And what he does is, in the winter, he goes to a thrift store and he buys himself one winter jacket, and when spring rolls around, he sells it back to the thrift store and exchanges it for shorts and t-shirts. And he says that way he's not carrying his winter wear around in the summer and his summer wear not around in winter, and he gets to change up his clothes more often. So that's an idea right there. So this one, don't pack everything you think you'll ever need. That's just not the way to do it. You'll find out that most of it you don't need, and you'll spend the first year just downsizing. So get the bare minimum, and then as you travel on your adventure, add to it as you need. So remember, you're not going to the moon, so you don't have to pack everything forever. And hopefully this was a tough one for me, but hopefully this will make it so it won't be such a tough one for you. Thank you.